This is a pretty often occurrence where the handle on the camper shell breaks off. So we're going to put a new handle on. First thing, you need an 1/8 inch driver of some sort or socket. Take this old handle off. Don't drop it in your driveway. That's the tire popper right there. There you go. So check it out before you dive into it too deep. Sometimes these are Phillips, sometimes they're star bits. This is a S bit, basically just a square. So it's an S2 actually. So we'll just zippity doo dah these guys off of here. To be able to pull this out, pull it out, that's it. Start going back the other way. I gave you a couple different screws. This is a universal one. So we'll see how universal it is. We're going to put it right in here, like so. So far so good. And we'll get our screws. I think we'll be okay to go with these longer ones. Now you see these are Phillips. I'll tell you what. That's what I'm saying. You really never know. Every manufacturer is different. And they change. They change fasteners, you know, whenever they feel like it. So it's just a number 2 Phillips, like a drywall screw, basically same size. I can't get it out. Hang on a second. Hey, we got it. Let's get the screws going in here. Line it up. You know. Second one. Put it right in there. Like this. Got working as it should. Seems to be right here. I like it. I like it. I don't think I need that. Handle. This is a rain cover for the handle. That's all it is That's it. Just like downtown. I wonder where that expression. What's so great about downtown? Just like downtown. I don't know. Thanks for watching.